Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and more reports, of course, here, but also I'm starting now to get some information from articles on the web, like on NeoWin, Windows Central also, where a lot of people are talking about the reappearance of an update that was actually blocked. So the little history, like I was saying yesterday, and we'll actually add more to it, a lot of you have started seeing since yesterday or the day before a update that shows up, and the KB number is 5012170. Here we go. And of course, if you look at the information on it, it brings you to a page that goes way back to August 9th. Funny thing about it, they don't mention Windows 11 22H2, and it seems to be kind of tied to that. A lot of 22H2 machines are getting it. As you see, I got it too. Now, one of the problems that I see, and I would like to survey again all of you that have gotten this update. I don't see a lot of you saying that you had problems. It seemed to install well. This update is notorious for a few things. It's notorious for being one of the updates that really doesn't install well. And a lot of people back in August complained of a error message. And the workaround that Microsoft was actually giving is, oh, well, you should update your UEFI BIOS. And once that is done, and I know that some of you have done that in the past, I remember a couple of messages popping up or comments popping up with this. And after that, it installs well. And of course, it's curious that they kind of blocked it and it's coming back. It's really something they want to push. Yet, from what they say, is nothing has changed. They haven't fixed anything. They haven't changed anything on it. I don't know if they're hoping that more people have compatible UEFI BIOS. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So people are seeing it, and across a lot of blog posts and some Twitter users also that look at Windows are all saying, well, tons of people are getting this update now. It seems to be focused mostly on Windows 11 22H2 for the new version release, but I see here that some of you are on on Windows 10. So I don't know. What's the success rate? We'll try to do a little check of that. What is your guys' success rate in installing it? Did some of you have it and it fails to install again? Because that's the biggest problem that was. Also, some people using BitLocker were having some problems with it. If you have a failed install, you could have error 0x800F0922. So 0x800F0922. And that was the error code back then. So it's kind of interesting to see what's happening here, and if it installs better or not, for sure. So you might get this error message. I don't know. And like I said, there was also the because I see that in some blog posts, some people are saying they're getting that error message again. So kind of weird that they push it. It is to fix a critical Secure Boot DBX grub vulnerability. So it's kind of important, but at the same time, it's kind of weird. For those, because I've seen a lot of you out there saying, well, I got it. I seem to have it twice. Should I uninstall it? Don't touch anything. If it works fine, just leave it alone. That's the best thing that you can do. And it's surprising because a lot of you, like me, were surprised to see, hey, it's there. I never noticed it installed. I didn't notice it installed either. When I looked at it, I didn't think I had it. I didn't think it was there, and it was like, wow, okay, it's there, and I haven't seen my computer do anything. So it's really kind of a stealth install, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.